guys? Welcome back. Welcome back to me, because I haven't been flying for a long time. But I decided that it was time to look for a new helicopter after hanging out with my friends at the Southwest Heli Rodeo a couple of weekends ago. And I was looking at all the helicopters and checking everything out. And yeah, I decided that I was gonna go with the Goosky RS7. And Goosky was kind enough to hook me up with not only an RS7 but a bunch of parts. So I kind of already snuck into this one because I was curious to see what was in here. So I'm gonna check it all out. Oh snap! Yeah. Yo, got the official. Yeah, that's cool. And then, yo, like, mad parts. Yo. Alright, so I was gonna save like a color scheme for like, as a surprise, but damn, yeah, you already know what it's gonna be, right? Yeah, but yeah, I got dampers and washout arms and washers, blade washers, usable blade grip bolts. Got the competition belt, the outer swash, so I can get that 1-to-1. I think the guys at Heli Direct did a video on that, so figured might as well just, because you'd have to change geometry if you set up the helicopter and you decide to do this later, so might as well do it now. Some links, main shafts, yeah, because you know what goes down, right? If you're flying hard and you're pushing yourself and you're trying to get better, you're gonna break stuff. So I don't know, what color skids? I don't know, you tell me. That gives you another hint. Battery trays, because you need those. Some Velcro, battery straps, need those. Ooh, competition main gears. Yeah. Not sure if I'll ever strip these, but better safe than sorry having extra. Oh. Yo. Sick. Bam. Sweet. There it is. RS7. Huge shout out to Goosky, all the guys over there were super kind and super welcoming. And yeah, Frank, Lydia, shout out to you guys. And then also my daughter, she's actually helping me film this. So anyway, yeah, so you know how it goes, right? You gotta build it, so I gotta go see what I've got for servos and whatnot. Hopefully I can get this thing going and we can get to flying. So thanks for checking it out, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.